Can I take your time? Can I take your pen? Can I take your textbook for reading? So, how we can use these sentences in our communication? So, let's we start today's video. How can you use these sentences in our communication? Hello, friends. I'm Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, today we are going to learn about how we can use the different sentences that related to can I. Okay, so how we can use these sentences in our communication. So before we start this video, I request you, if you not watched my last video, which is about how we can say, instead of saying I don't know, if you not watch that, then please watch this. Here is a link above, you can watch that video. So let's we start today's video. So can, it shows the ability, means disability. We cannot allow to take, that means can. I can walk, it is the positive, that I have the ability to walking. Okay, I can read, it means I have that skill, I can read. I can see, it means I have that ability that I can see or I can watch. But when we ask a question, can I, it means that we don't have that right, we don't have that ability that we can take something. So that's why we are asking. Okay, while we are entering into the class or into the office, into the bank, into the cabin, so at the time we ask, may I come in? So we not ask that, can I come in? So may I come in, because it is expected from you that you should ask like, I, may I come in? It is not, can I come in? Okay, but when you want leave that office, when you want go out of the class, or when you want go out of that institution, then you have to ask like this, can I go? Okay, so can I go? You have to ask this. So can, it means that it is showing your ability, your right. Okay, so let's then we see how we can use can I sentences in our communication. Let's we start. The first sentence, if you want to read a textbook but it's not yours, if you want to read a textbook but it's not yours, it is your friends, or it is maybe your teachers, and you want to read it. Okay, so at that time you cannot ask like this, may I take your textbook? No, you cannot ask like this. You have to ask this, you have to ask like this, can I take your book? Can I take your book? So if you ask this, then it means you have good manner and you are asking politely to the teacher. Okay, so it is the good manner. So you have to ask like this, can I take your book? Okay, so if you don't have a pen in exam, and you won't ask to someone for giving a pen because you won't write in exam, without pen you cannot write it. Now today's we are in digital world, so all the exams are held into the computer, so it's very easy. But if you are in written exam and you don't have a pen, so you won't ask to the your friend which is near to you, and so should you ask like this, may I give you a pen? Okay, you cannot ask like this because you don't have the right. So you have to ask like this, can you give me your pen? Can you give me your pen? It's not like that, can I give you a pen? Okay, can you give me your pen? If he has a remaining pen, if he has extra pen, then he will give you, otherwise he will not. Okay, this is about the next partner, that he will say something to you. Okay, if you want a laptop which is not yours, you want a laptop which is not yours, and at the time you cannot ask like this, may I take your laptop? Okay, it's not yours. Okay, anything you want to the others, so you have to use their can. So you have to say like this, can I take your laptop for some time? Okay, so you can say like this, can I take your laptop for some time? Okay, so this is the sentence that we can use in our communication. Next is, if you want take a seat, if you want take anybody's seat into the classroom, or you want to sit in a chair, or anywhere else, so at the time you can ask like this, can I take a seat? Can I take a seat? It's not that you can ask like this, may I take a seat? Can I take a seat? Because the seat is, it's not yours, it's not yours, and so that's why you have to ask, can I take a seat? Okay. Then next is, if you want take someone's time for you. Okay, so if I won't take your time for watching this video what I am making, so you want I won't share with you, and so that's why I'm requesting to you, please watch my video. So that time I can ask like this, can you give me your time? Okay, can you give me your time? So this is the question that you can ask. Okay, so this type of way that we can use in our communication. Let's we see the next way how we can use can I. Hmm? Can I watch movie? If you want watch a movie and now you have a time, but uh, we know that today is the holiday, and parents are pushing to the students, do the study, do the study, they are forcing to students, do the study. Okay, so now if you have a time, all the study is over and you want to watch a movie, so at the time you will ask to your parents like this, can I watch a movie? Because your syllabus, your study has over, and now you want watch a movie, so you are asking to your parents, can I watch a movie? Or you can ask like this, can I see, can I see a TV programs? Or you can ask like this, can I see news, can I watch news channels? Hmm? So in that way you can use these phrases in your communication. Now while you are sitting with your parents or your sisters and brothers, you are sitting with them, and they are watching new channels, and you don't like the new channels because it is not interesting. Hmm? So you want watch something else, and you are sitting with them, and you want to request to them that you want to watch something different, so please give me that remote, I want change the channel. So at that time you can ask like this, can I change the channel? Can I change the channel? So this sentence also you can use in your communication, so your communication will be so good while you are talking to your parents or someone else. Okay, so use this sentence. Then next you can uh, use like this. Now at the last of our conversation, you have to go somewhere to do your work, and your conversation is not going to stop. So at the time you can take a permission to your next partner or your friend, maybe your teacher or someone else. So you can ask like this, can I leave now? Can I leave now? It means that you have to go somewhere, that is very important, that is very necessary, and you have to go, otherwise the work will not done. So you can ask like this, can I leave now? Okay, can I leave now? Because the communication is not over yet, it is going on continuously, and that you know the time is over it and you have to go there, so you can ask like this, can I leave now? So these ways that we can use in our communication. Friends, I showed you these so many ways that you can use in your communication, and if you watch my earlier videos, then they are very serially I made it for only you. If you want to speak English, if you want to learn how to speak English, then please you watch all that videos seriously, you can understand all that and you can speak very soon. Okay, so just to watch it. If you have come in problem about this, how we can make these sentences by using can I, or if you have any doubt about this, then please comment me in the comment box, I'm here for that. If you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.